Start, sir.
Hello, good morning students. Okay, welcome back. I invite you for part 2, the water. In the part 1, this Marcus Ibe, how Roof is so intelligent in conducting the election campaign for his boss Marcus Ibe. How Marcus Ibe has become rich because of votes of the voters in the village Umafia. It is explained that Roof question is very important. Election day very important. First question, last question, both are important. But in PUC English, no important question, no non-important question. There is no such method in PUC. I cannot give you any assurance that the same question will appear. There is no promise from me. Today, we are going to learn this part 2, first action. You feel that this story is going on in front of you. Today, I will explain. So, first of all, a brief introduction to the first part. Roof is an excellent election campaigner. He is helping Marcus Ibe to win the election. In the previous election, the voters of Mafia village had voted freely without taking any money from Marcus Ibe. Our Roof is helping and he is an excellent campaign manager, and Marcus Ibe is the richest man, and after he gave one best treat or dinner to the villagers could come to know that because of their word he had become so rich. It is why election 5 years are over. Now election time is taking place. This way the voters need money. Roof had given 4 shillings to 5 elders, 5 leaders in the house of this Ingvefa Agenwa. Now 2 days actions are taking place in the second half. First one. What is the first one? Let us understand some words now. Ruling party name is PAP. Roof and Marcus Ibe. Opposition party POP, and Maduka is the leader of this opposition party. Next one, village Umafia in Nigeria. We are going to learn second half of second half of first action belongs to 1 day before the election. Say last final conclusive part on election day, and these 2 symbols. Car is the symbol of Marcus Ibe on Roof, PAP party, election symbol, and head symbol belongs to Maduka, POP party symbol. Now, I am going to teach you, I am going to explain what happened 1 day before the election. Okay. Everything was moving according to the plan of this Roof. What is the full name? Rufus Okeke.
Start, sir.
You can find these actions in the page number 110, 110, 110. Now, so Roof is arranging everything, and he, according to his expectation, all actions are taking place positively in favor of this Rufus Okeke. Marcus Ibe was very confident, everything was going on nicely. Roof had given some money and he had selected some young boys to make election election canvas. During the daytime, the boys will be shouting and they will be saying lies to the voters that Marcus Ibe is the greatest man. He would provide this tap water, pipe borne water and electricity to the village. Marcus Ibe is the child of this village, and this election campaign, young boys were shouting and they were distributing money during the night to the voters by going to the house of the voters. That is called whispering campaign. That is called whispering campaign. Okay. Silent election canvas. Okay, everything is okay. Roof was in his house before the night of the election. That means today night in the house of Roof. Next day means tomorrow election will take place. 5 years are over. When Roof was in his house, suddenly the opposition leader Maduka, please understand, Maduka did not come to the house of Roof. This the opposition party's campaign leader only, not Maduka. Some people say Maduka, but in the textbook clearly given, it is given that opposition party's campaign leader of the opposition party campaigner, not Maduka. So this leader of the opposition party campaign team was visiting the house of Roof. Roof was shocked indeed. How can one expect that opposition party leader will visit the house of the ruling party or opposition party? Both belong to enemy parties. Roof was somewhat shocked and surprised. Roof is so brilliant that he can cover all his feelings. That so many examples have been given. He is very clever in hiding his body expression, mind expression, his feelings itself. He was calm. So, opposition party election campaign leader and Roof are in the house. Roof was sitting, opposition party leader is sitting. They exchanged business like cold words. Hi, that's all. Then, suddenly, opposition party election campaign leader took out 5-pound note. 5 pounds means nearly 2 lakhs now. So, he kept one note of 5 pounds note. What is the color of the note? Means red color. What is the picture on that note? Means cocoa farmer. He is harvesting cocoa. Coca-Cola is there, no? It is made of cocoa tree. Cocoa leaves or trees or that is left to you. I am not an expert at that matter. It is why cocoa is one kind of crops used to prepare Coca-Cola. Cocoa farmer's picture is there. He is cutting the crops of cocoa. After seeing the 5 pounds note, Roof heart sank. Are you not shattered when you say 5 lakhs rupees in front of you to provide one help to others? Similar, this Roof is in this condition and he is asked. This opposition leader is telling Roof, Mr. Roof, I want your vote. Roof is shocked. Roof is telling, oh opposition party, you never can win the election. Then this fellow says, we are not behind the gossips, we want your vote. That's all. Then Roof was shocked. He came out of his chair because main door was open. He went to that main door of the house. He closed the house main door and he came back. Within these 5 to 6 seconds, Roof had decided what to do. He is not ready to cheat his boss, Marcus Tibet. But he is not ready to leave this big amount, 5 pounds. He wants money, but he is not ready to cheat his boss, Marcus Tibet. This is called Roof was in a fix. Fix means dilemma. Dilemma means problem or doubt. Dilemma, fix, problem, doubt. What to do? To take money to vote for Maduka, or to leave money and be loyal or obedient to his boss Marcus Tibet. He is ready to take money. He is ready to take vote for Maduka. Then Roof said, this news will not go out of this house now. Opposition party leader says that no, we are behind words, not behind the gossips. Okay. Anyone will not be heard now? No. Okay. Then Roof was about to take money. Then opposition party leader says, wait. Then his assistant was with him. He nudged means he touched his assistant with his elbow, and this his assistant, who opposition party Madhuka's campaign team's leader's assistant, went out of the house. They came by a car, and he brought one small idol. What is the name of that one? Means I means native God. God's statue. Very small. It is made of clay. Clay means of sand. And one feather or one this fly was stuck behind its idol. That is equal to native God. Why? Roof must promise on that God that he would vote for Madhuka. If he fails, this God will punish Roof. After seeing the idol of this IE, this God was brought from Yambanta. You say Yambanta better, Mumbanta is the pronunciation. For your convenience, I have given Yambanta, easy to remember. So, Yambanta, it was brought from Yambanta, very powerful God. If anybody keeping promise on this God and fails his words, if he breaks promise means surely he will be punished by this God. Very powerful and very strong indeed. Roof was shattered. His heart sank indeed. He was not ready to keep promise on this God IE, which was brought from Yambanta. Then what happened? He was in a great doubt fix. To keep a promise on God and not voting means his life will be destroyed by the God, i.e. native God. If he doesn't promise means that the leader will not give the money. But Roof is not ready to leave this opportunity. He was in a great danger. He could not decide what to do. But Roof is an expert in making decisions in the spur of moment. Very soon. Then, he decided. He got one idea in his mind. Anyhow, his boss, Marcus Bay, was going to win the election. If he doesn't vote for his boss, nobody knows that he has not voted for his boss. Moreover, his boss will not lose the election, he will win the election. It is why finally this Roof decided, he put a promise on the God, I vote for Madhuka. If I fail to vote, God will take care of me. That means I promise that I vote for Madhuka, and if I fail, this God can punish me. This Roof made this promise. Then opposition party leader was very happy because this time we have given this amount. Which amount? So much amount to the voters. Moreover, this opposition party is giving notes not like shillings. Shillings are given by Marcus Ebe. Notes are given by Madhuka's party. This party leader is telling Roof that this time we are giving notes, not shillings. That means he is insulting Roof indirectly that they are not ready to invest so much money on this election. Moreover, Madhuka's party, POP party, is spending so much money on this election. Why? They want to win next time. Moreover, POP party is founded by tribal people. Tribal people means hill area, forest area where the people live. Its aim is to improve the lifestyle of these tribal people. And Madhuka's party is spending so much money. This election agents of this village will become rich very soon indeed. It is why many people will become rich and many voters will get notes from this party POP. So Roof did not say anything, and the leader and his assistant, they belong to POP, opposition party. They came out of the house. They were near the car. Again, this Madhuka's party leader was warning Roof, you must vote for Madhuka. If you fail, God will punish you. Roof says, I will vote for him, don't worry. So, Roof went inside his house. This opposition party went to his place, his target by his car. Both of them departed. This is called war. What actions did take place in the house of Roof before the election day? It is explained in this third part. Now, next final part is fourth part, the actions which took place on the election day. It will be explained. Now, final part. Now, last concluding stage. In the previous 3 stages, we could learn Roof's character, Marcus Vile, how he is powerful, and before the election day, what happened in the house of Marcus, Roof. Rufus, okay, it is explained in. Finally, how did Roof solve this problem? There are 2 problems. He has taken money from the opposition party. He has kept a promise on the native god, i.e., he must vote for Madhuka. But he cannot cheat or deceive his boss, Marcus Vile. How did he solve this problem? So, this final action takes place on the election day. Now, not inside the booth of the election, outside, day in the public itself. Okay. Election day morning, Roof is very active. He is roaming everywhere and checking all the details. He is not ready to leave any single vote which should be voted for Marcus Vile. Opposition party is nothing before this Roof's party, PAP. But Roof is not ready to lose 1 vote also. It is why Roof is very active. He is inspiring all the voters. What the voters of this village mafia feel that it is like a festival. 5 years once, festival indeed. So all are happy. The voters are in the queue. See how actions are taking place. Okay. This Marcus Vile, the boss of this PAP party, is sitting in his enormous car. Enormous means very big car indeed. He is sitting in the owner's seat. And Roof is observing, controlling and managing all kind of election actions indeed. Marcus Vile was sitting somewhat away from the this polling booth, because there is a rule that they must be away from the polling booth or voting booth indeed. So, Roof's voice, marvel, this Marcus Vile has brought one dancing group. What is the name of the dancing group in African country? Means High Life Band. See, High Life Band. The band means music, high life, dancers and singers. These singers all are one stage singing English songs indeed. They are playing, they are singing, they are dancing, they are doing all kind of cheerful activities indeed. They want to do make these voters very happy, cheerful indeed. So actions are going on. This fellow is sitting in the car. Marcus Abbey is sitting in his green car indeed. What is the symbol of this Marcus Abbey's party? Car. Then one voter came near this fellow who Marcus Abbey. Where is he? Inside his car. Then he shook the hands of Marcus Abbey. He says that congrats. Not congrats, congrats. Congrats. Congrats means congratulations. Then he shook hands. Then all voters started to give the shake hand with this Marcus Abbey. Congratulations. Why? They feel that already he has won the election indeed. So Marcus Abbey was very happy indeed. Then one voter came near the car. Then Ruth was instructing the voter, oh my dear voters, vote for car. You should not look at the symbol of the head. Head symbol is for the head. For those people's heads are not correct. That means what? If the voters vote for head symbol means opposition party, their heads means head is not correct, means their head is not working indeed. When Ruth fired this joke or told this joke and he looked at Marcus Abbey, Marcus Abbey appreciated, well done. All started to say this one, vote for car, vote, don't vote for this head indeed. All of the voters laughed highly, loudly, aloud indeed. Then, even though Ruth was very active, but he was very much worried. He was wearing the mask of peace. He was hiding his tension, worries, and this is called what? High type of volcano indeed. Ruth could bear the smiling face even though there is a big turmoil, that is called turmoil is going on inside him. He could not decide what to do, whether he must be loyal his boss Marcus Abbey or he must take money and he must vote for Maduka. Everything is going on. This high life band was brought from the village Umuru, from the small town Umuru. This dancing group has come from Umuru indeed. Then young boys, young girls are dancing, all are in the queue only. Then one voter came near the car of Marcus Abbey. Ruth told that voter, if you vote for Marcus Abbey, the simple car, you can take a small trip on this car only. That means you can make a short journey if you in the car of Marcus Abbey if he votes for this car symbol. So everybody is very happy indeed. So they never see any car because even they don't have current or power, they don't have pipe water or tap water. It is like all are poor waters indeed in this village, Umafia indeed. Then one young girl says that if she fails to drive or to sit in this car, at least her children would be made sit in this car. It is why they were very happy indeed. All things are going on. Then Marcus Abbey ordered these young boys. Young boys means campaigning boys to vote for his party Marcus Abbey. They were his assistants itself. So one by one, each and every boy went inside the polling booth and they came out. Next, final chance. Ruth. Hey roof, go and vote now. Roof's heart sank. Now he is in big trouble indeed. What to do now? So he was moving happily and he entered the polling booth indeed. Before he could enter the polling booth, one policeman would check his pockets. What kind of system is their voting system in Nigeria means one day before they would give one piece of vote paper, pink color vote paper. No symbol, nothing. So there must be only two parties. So two party symbol boxes will be there. It will contain some holes. So vote will be given in advance, and one voter can carry only one vote. It is why policeman checked his pockets whether he is carrying two or more. Then verified the officials verified his name. After that one, Roof took out his vote. Policeman checked whether he was carrying more votes. He had only one vote. Piece of vote. They must drop the vote either in this box or in this box. So one symbol is car, another symbol is head. Car symbol means who, Marcus. Head symbol means who, Maduka. They should not send, they should not mention, they should not stamp. That it is totally a different kind of conducting election in Nigeria. They must take out the vote, they must drop in the boxes. There will be two boxes. If they drop in this box means his vote will belong to car. If the voter drops in this box means head symbol. Only symbol will be there. Car symbol on this box and head symbol on this box, and this will be counted. They should fold and they must drop in one out of two boxes. Only two boxes will be there. One box here, another box. One box symbol, car. It will be exhibiting to the voter. Another box, car. Head and car, two boxes. Okay. Roof entered. He was under great tension, but he is such a person that he can make a decision very soon. Whatever the situation horrible it may be, he can decide very soon indeed. Then what happened? He entered. He waited. Once he got the idea of handing over the money, and he was handing over the money to Maduka. Then when he entered the polling booth, inside the booth, he saw confronted. Confronted means he faced two boxes. One box head symbol, another box car symbol. He took out his vote and he was standing. He took some more time. Outside, policeman was shouting. What was he doing inside? Was he giving the birth to any child? He said this one in a Nigerian language. There is only one English word used in this story by the characters, that is called what? That's all is the only one English word spoken by any character in this whole short story. Okay, next. Roof wanted to hand over his money handing over this money to Maduka, but he is not ready to lose this 5 pounds. It is a great amount indeed. It is why he is not ready to lose the money, but he is not ready to cheat his boss itself. Then finally he decided he wanted to go back, and but he is not ready to lose the big amount. Then he took out he already had taken out the vote. He took that one and folded into two parts. He cut the vote into two parts and he folded those two parts in it. Then he dropped the first half of the vote in the box of head. Which one? Maduka party. He dropped the half of the vote in the box of Maduka's symbols party. Another half in the box of his boss Marcus Ibe. He feels that he has done justice to both of his money giver and food giver. But in fact, he has cheated both indeed. Food giver and money giver both are cheated by this Rufus Okake. He feels that he has done justice, but actually, in fact, he has cheated both of this Maduka and Marcus Ibe. Then happily he came out of this polling booth and he went out of the booth as jauntily as he had gone. Before going, he was happy. He did not show his worries on his face anywhere. After voting and after cutting the vote into two parts, one vote to two parts, dropping. Moreover, he took a precaution. He was alert that he dropped the first half of the vote in the box of Maduka. Why? If he drops the first half of the vote in the box of God, his boss Marcus Ibe means, God will punish him. Why? He voted first. It is why. He dropped the first half of the vote in the box of the head symbol Maduka. Second half in the box of this Marcus Ibe car symbol, he came out went out of the booth as jauntily as he had come. Jauntily means happily, cheerfully, he came out of the booth. He feels that he has done justice. Both his masters did. It is the story of this voter, Rufus Okake. How he was cheating the voters, how he cheated both Marcus Ibe and Maduka in the end on the election day, it is explained. My dear students, there are 4 questions. How can you say that Rufus is an excellent campaigner? Write a brief note on Marcus Ibe and what happened during the visit of Maduka's party leader to the house of Rufus, and finally, how did Rufus clear or solve this problem on the election day, or write the actions which took place on the election day. It is explained. Now, today I want to teach 1 mark questions. Today I will write some 4 mark twisted questions. How to understand? After understanding the lesson, after watching this video and reading the textbook and notes provided by us, it is not sufficient. Answers are easy, questions are tough indeed. How to solve this problem? How to tackle this twisted 4 mark questions? I will write 4 mark questions at the board now. Note down and follow my this instruction after writing those questions on the board now. Now, there are 4 parts, but I have here written 5 questions. Answers only 2. First question is very easy, answer is tough. Second question, answer is easy, questions are tough. How? Listen. Roof is an intelligent manipulator discuss. 4-mark question or 6-mark question. Account for roof's popularity in the water. Okay, 2 questions. Actually, there are 5 questions. Answer number 1 contains or carries 5 different twisted questions. For example, a sunny morning parks in 12 twisted 4-mark questions. Similarly, this is the gardener, first question, 8 twisted 4-mark questions. I am preparing book 2, that book 2 will contain. My dear students, I have informed you several times to take the notes. Actually, cost is increasing. I am not responsible. If you come to college, all of you must carry classwork, textbook, notes, and assignment books, blue books. Everybody must bring these all 4 these books when you start coming to college. If you miss me, no. All of you must send the balance answers to my WhatsApp number. Many students did not send all 6 answers. Those who have not sent, I will consider them as defaulters. When you come to college or when we are going to make a valuation of midterm, we will not mention your marks. Today itself, you must send your 6 sets of answers to my WhatsApp number. If I don't receive, how can I give marks in the midterm? What is the base for giving marks for the midterm exam? What is the base? It is why, please, my dear students, send all answers today itself after watching this video. Once more, you must take book notes. If you have, no problem. Same. Last year notes, this year notes, same. But book 1 is very different. It will be ready after 2 months only. Because I have taken already 4 months. Now it will be ready after February. Maybe, let us say, no problem. Now, all of you must send the answers to me. We have sent 6 question papers, but only 4. Many students have sent 6 out of 6 answers to my WhatsApp number 8105113151. But some students have not sent. If you don't send, I am not responsible. That to be considered you as defaulters. Now, write a note on Markasibe. Second question is very easy. Why? We don't give such LKG questions. This is the theme of this 1 mark and 4 marks. No question will be given easily. Twisted questions. You know the answer, but you cannot write the answer. Which answer should be written to one particular question? It is really difficult. See, the water records the power and selfishness of Marcus Libe. Somewhat it is okay. But the water is a monetary on democracy. Yes, client. If I give this question in the exam, what answer are you going to write? You will write 4th answer. Which one? Roof. How did the roof solve the problem on election day? How did he vote for both? You would write this answer. I know it very well. It is why, my dear students, by sitting in your house, and if you feel that English is easy, means nothing is easy. If we give the correct question paper, you never can understand 1 mark questions and 4 mark questions and report and speech. We have not touched the main part of the question paper. You may feel what is there in English I can write this. You forget that you must lose that egoism and opinion and decision, conclusion. Very tough, difficult. If I give this question directly, means what answer can you write? The water is a mockery and democracy. Yes, right. You know the answer about Marcus Sibe. If I give this question, write a note on Marcus Sibe, you can write something. He was owner, he built house, he was very poor, he was a school teacher, he teached one teacher, he was to be a suspended, joined the POP party, he had 2 cars, he had built a big mansion, mansion, he offered a treat. These all things can be written when you can understand the question properly. Otherwise, you will never write the correct answer. In so many exams, side exams, students were unable to understand the question. They wrote totally wrong answer. Answer number 1 to question number 3. Answer number 3 to question number 1. Which question? Every lesson contains 4 mark questions. You must know twisted questions. These are all twisted 4 mark questions, twisted 1 mark questions, and advanced grammar will be published, will be mentioned in the book 2. I will launch very soon. I need 15 more days or 2 months to complete the book. Work is going on by me. Every day I am doing the work on the laptop. Okay. Now the order is marketing on democracy. Explain how can you write this one. If you don't get the clue of this, write a note on Marcus today. It is why the system here is, it is called what? Base question. It is called base question. It is called a twisted question. If you know these all twisted questions which are related to the base question, then you can write happily. You can score maximum. If you are so proud of your talent, that talents will not work in this second PUC. See, if you don't take book number 2, don't expect to score 70 on so way. 1 mark questions, reported speech, linkers, and 4 mark twisted questions, short answers, how to write answer. Everything is there in book 2. I will launch. Once it is ready, I will post on my status. We will send the message to your this WhatsApp number or this through the college itself. It is why, my dear students, it is not a joke. If you don't work hard today onwards, English will become harder to you forever. It is why today onwards, day by day, you must read notes on the textbook. And if you don't understand any concept on the video, you must watch the video often and often. Anyhow, mobile is in your hand, videos are on your phone. Watch it, read the textbook, read the notes, understand it very well. Don't try to understand this one thoroughly and completely. Any doubt, contact me. Many students are contacting me to clear the doubts regarding their understanding some concept. I am helping them. No problem. My dear students, you must understand the lesson, the order. I will give revision also. You must watch revision videos too. I will give the revision by taking the 2 periods. It is not a joke. And another 2, this cycle and this Japan and Brazil, 2 more chapters are pending. I will complete, I will give revision, I will start teaching this reported speech after finishing linkers and expression. 3 topics of grammar and 2 topics from the textbook. These 5 topics are pending. 5 topics are in pending. Dabba English. 5 topics are pending. That's all. In preposition is not required. Okay. It is why, my dear students, watch both videos. It is called part 2. Previous one, part 1, previous session is called part 1. Watch that video, understand the video, and again read the notes, read the textbook, and thoroughly you must understand this. There are answers are really lengthy. It is why I have decided to revise this chapter for 2 sessions. In the next session, part 1 revision, or later part 2 revision. I will explain each and everything. It will help you to understand the whole chapter in it. Okay, any doubt, contact me. All of you should have written 6 sets of answers. You should send it to me, and you everybody must have the notes, book 1, primary base book. Otherwise, it is not possible for you to understand English. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. God bless you.